Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Alcares,
Cadet Borgonia,
Cadet Cabanig,
Cadet Patino,
and lastly, Cadet Paglinawan.
We are here to discuss arts appreciation.
Here in our school, we have an activity about tracing the roots of culture by reading about the past and the present. Now, you can see the works of students, and as you can see, here are the works of students, and you see the Carabao house and backpack. Right side, you can see the many photos of works of students like landscape and portrait.
Arts we can see in people, things, and places. For example, in this school, you can see students practicing how to swim. And also, you can see different shapes and colors.
In arts, we can make different things, like creating this vessel. It involves style, especially the shape. Building and house is one of the examples in arts. In buildings, you can see a different style, and the house has its own unique shape. Those things are involved in arts appreciation.
dancing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Singing. Tumulong-ligaya ang iyong buhay. Tama. Kuya, ano problema mo? Those are involved in art appreciation.
That's all about arts appreciation. I hope you learn how to appreciate arts in every way. Again, I'm Cadet Alcares,
Cadet Borgonia,
Cadet Cabanig,
Cadet Patino,
And lastly, Cadet Paglinawan.
and that's all. Thank you. Good day everyone. Good day everyone. I'm Cadet Alcares,
Cadet Borgonia,
Cadet Cabanig,
Cadet Patino.
And lastly, Cadet Paglinawan.
Discuss arts appreciation.
Here in our school, we have an activity about reading the
Oh, thank you.
Dungan tayo.
Dungan na.